What car do you want, Drew?
I want the Wave.
Really?
I want the Wave, man. That thing is gonna look dope.
You know this is manual though, eh?
Aren't they both manual?
No, Wave's automatic.
I want this. I want this one very much. King in the castle, king in the castle. Go do this, go do this.
Do you mind running over to Josh's and grabbing the battery, please, Mackie? Oh, you should be careful with that. It's been recently cemented, and then the repair on the light bar.
I love the jigsaw.
This is going to be an interesting one because the fender is part of the door. We're cutting both.
What's wrong with these doors?
This one, it could just because the handle stays open. Yeah, I think that's why actually. Oh, they're fine. Yeah, if you don't.
My coffee, dude. Do you see that? That was awesome. I only have one sip left.
Hey Josh, these blades suck.
Yeah, these do suck actually. I got some more in the box there though.
There's more in the box there, Drew.
That's what I'm talking about.
Hey Drew, I know your ears don't work, so let me replace it for you.
I'll go grab them from the box there, okay? Hey, just in the box. Josh, let him know again. I don't think he hears me. Can you let him know?
Hey Drew, they're just in the box.
What are?
The blades, they're in the box there.
Not after drill blades.
True. Yeah, the ones are at 44. These ones are gonna be at 37, which is honestly fine. Because the 4Runner, it's at 30. It's at 36.
Have you ever wanted a Kia car?
Have I ever wanted to key a car?
Yeah.
Who says I haven't?
Guys, I've been listening to so much Kanye West.
Really?
Yeah. I've been listening to Kanye West every day.
Good timing.
Man, it's because of his political standpoints.
No, man. It's literally. I don't know. Somehow we ended up on my radar. Flashing Lights is such a cool song. I like Barry Bonds. I like the second rapper in Barry
Flashing Lights
Bonds.
is a really good song.
He's like, I hate them. I mean, have them. I'm so crazy. And I'm like, who is this guy?
Wait, that was a Kanye impression.
No, that's Kanye's buddy that got on the track with him.
Oh, never mind. Okay.
He's like, and I hate them. I mean, have them. I'm so crazy.
How did he end up on your radar recently? Just curious.
I'm honestly not sure.
Yeah, I was researching World War II, and then all of a sudden he popped up on my page. Not sure what happened there.
Makes great music though.
Yeah.
Yo, I'm gonna be upfront with you. I think the Wave is actually more sick at this point. But that
Automatic.
could change.
It's automatic though, hey?
Yeah, true though.
How do you feel about being with Matt this time?
I look forward to it.
Yeah?
Oh, you use this hammer? Oh yeah, that's not a very good hammer. This is a Stanley hammer? No. The Husky hammers are way better. In fact, I actually like to use Brock's hammer because Brock has a big hammer. I like to grab it, both hands. Oh, yo, yeah, how could you not know? It's full on dented, nice. Ah, you can't tell me nothing.
Who are you talking about?
Kanye West. I walk up in the club with some fresh shit on and something crazy on my arm. Here's another hint, Barry Bonds. I'm so crazy, I hate them, I mean have them. Hey mom. Here's my new Honda right here. It's 2018. CB500X. I put some cool crash bars on it. I took the ugly decals off. And you'll see I put some cool decals on that actually says Africa Twin because it's like half of an Africa Twin.
Oh yeah.
Oh man, is that dog on the line?
Yep. Eat it.
Okay. I think your dog's.
grainy.
I think your dog's been eating well. I think your dog's working that out.
Good color. Good consistency. This one's too big. This one's too small.
Yeah, I grabbed the metric
Yeah,
ones.
nice Allen keys, buddy.
I told you they weren't real Allen keys. Should have known better.
These are Adrian's keys.
You know what? Actually, it was funny when I used to work at the bank. So I'm like, is your email still Demon Killer 43? He's like, yeah. Like, you play Diablo? He's like, yeah. He had like a Diablo like demon shirt on. I'm like, bruh, how old are you? Then again, I have like multiple Bionicle shirts.
Did you see the TikTok comments from the union thing?
Oh, dude, some people were really upset about that. Although, were they upset or were they being sarcastic?
I think they were upset, man.
Oh, give me something to take the edge off. So-called life. Dude, if I have to hear that song one more time, I used to play every day at the hangar. I mean, every day. Yeah, and I heard it on the radio I went to Greg's, which is like totally a trades place to go. I go into Greg's.
Distributors?
Yeah, Greg's Distributors. I go in there, and guess what's playing on the radio? Yeah, you guessed it. So-called life, and then you hear, and you just know.
But it's a good song the first couple times you hear it. I enjoyed it.
Unpopular opinion. I'm just
like it.
kidding. No, I'm serious. Honestly, that is a
Man,
popular opinion.
they got some good songs.
That is a popular opinion because a lot of people like them. I'm just a little bit not a fan. That's all.
I'm not a fan anymore. That's for sure.
I might have liked it the first time I heard it. I won't admit to it though. Yo, Daniel Biagioni's not sure what to think.
Is this the new car?
This is the new car, baby.
Yeah! What the f you putting on the front?
A bumper with a light bar.
My mom said I had to shower. My mom said I had to shampoo to get rid of this so-called lice. Hey, well, she broke apart.
Oh, dog. Yo, this isn't ideal.
Do we have any more discs?
You see, a poor man's mill is you
Yeah,
put
poor man's mill.
Oh yeah, and a poor man's lathe is you put a piece in a drill press, and while it's turning on the drill press, you go with your angle grinder and grind it while it's turning. Honestly, if I got a tattoo, if you squint, it's mint, is what I'd probably get. If you squint, it's mint.
The Ready Rod has a bit of give to it. So,
You think it's gonna hold? The tent?
it's a really good question, Logan. I think it will. I do think it will. And why I think that is because this smells like an old Cavalier. Like, it has that certain smell. You know Cavaliers have that smell?
You know how like Mark IV Jettas and Golfs and stuff smell like crayons?
Yeah, they totally do, man.
Let's be completely honest. There are people that have rust going all the way up to this point, where if you went like this, their car would turn to sand.
I think that's pretty good. That's what I think. Yeah. Flashing
Do a little bit of fishing.
lights.
Why didn't you just cut those?
Well, I wanted to bring the nut down so I knew exactly where to cut, but now I feel kind of dumb. Yep, I feel kind of dumb now. But it's too far gone. Like I'm already halfway, so I should finish it. But it's a little bit stupid. I won't do this on the other one, that's for sure.
Threads are fixed.
You know what? I think I would like to put the nut on there first. New apartment says, "What's up?" Da 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 da. Flashing.
What's
lights.
up, Denny's? We really gotta secure those because we're gonna hit a bump. The headlights are gonna go. So when you're working with like wheels and tires and stuff, like fitment, there's a thing called self-clearance. And that's when
Longer, better, faster, stronger. That's how long I've been on ya.
Working harder, make it better, do it faster, makes us stronger. Never, ever, ever.
I need you right now. Yeah, I'm happy with the roof racks. I think they're gonna do a good job. Brock and Anya came over and Brock gave us some wicked advice.
What's that?
He thinks we gotta lift these things. Like it has to happen in order for it to work.
His suggestion for the back to replace this shock with a fucking rod so we have no rear suspension, but it'll be lifted. I say no. Fucking spring has to sit in this groove or else it'll, you know, fucking slide out.
Oh,
So
okay.
if we put a spacer up in here,
Yeah.
then we
Break the
need
glass.
to either make another groove for the spring or I don't know, that's kind of where it gets dicey.
Hey, what do they say in that song? Since OJ had isotoners, what's an isotoner?
I don't know what isotoners are, but
definitely-
it sounds right.
He definitely says that.
Yeah.
I'm gonna play some Minecraft tonight. Guys, bad news. I got a call from Prince today. He caught a case of Apollonia. Because I heard OJ's got some isotoners.
He'll just use OJ's isotoners.
Yeah, he'll just use those. He'll be okay.
Okay.
If you ask me later, like, don't act like I never told you, okay? My grandfather, he had Apollonia once. Right after the Second World War.
Did you like it?
No, dude, he was sick for a month.
Jeez, man.
Yeah, a bad case of Apollonia.
And no isotoners back then. Right?
You fucking got me with that one. Oh. Oh,
You're probably drilling the end of the ready rod right there.
I might have been. Oh,
Oh, yeah.
nothing a couple isotoners can't fix. Let us know in the comments if you know what an isotoner is. Honest. Okay. Oh, Drew, you know what?
No.
Okay. It's got a big hole, and I like to put a washer on it. However, the washer we have is not big enough for the hole. So I was hoping Matt had some steel around. We could cut a little square, drill a hole in it, and then slide it right on up in there. And that's a really big washer for us. Something you don't want is a flashlight that you can't depend on. Or maybe there's some isotoners over here.
Watch out, Josh. There's Apollonia over there.
What is Apollonia?
I don't know. I think that's what he's saying. It sounds like he's saying that.
Apollonia.
Apollonia.
Okay, Drew, I have a job.
I don't care.
Oh, yo, my flashlight works again. What's up?
Imagine we had a shop.
Imagine. Then we would never be in a rush to do anything ever again.
We'd be dry. We'd be free from the rise and fall of the sun.
That's a very specific way to say that.
I don't know why I said it like that. We'd be, what other things? We'd be
We'd be
ballin'.
sick. We could have girls come over.
Yeah, exactly. We could have lots of girls in the shop. We'd have shop girls. It'd be pretty cool.
I guess it's